Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So we've just sewn our casing. Now the next step is we're going to be lacing through a ribbon so we can make a drawstring. So you just want to turn your bag back right side out. Pull out any pins that you may have forgotten. Just trim all the little threads that what you just sewn. And you're just going to take your ribbon or your rat tail and you're going to figure out how long you need it. So in this case, our bag is 11 inches wide and we want to have a little extra. So I'm going to go ahead and do it probably about 24 inches. So I'll just go ahead and measure this out. And then you could just cut the extra. And you just take a safety pin and go ahead and pierce your ribbon or your rat tail. You want to do it double so that it's really secure. And you're going to start on one of the buttonholes. Hopefully you remembered to slice open the buttonholes before you sewed your casing. And you're just going to kind of squish your safety pin through the casing, going all the way around. Now you don't want to come out the other buttonhole yet. We're going to do that after.